Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to write Roman numbers in Microsoft Word. So first, open your Word document, then go to Insert, and here click on Symbols, then More Symbols. Change the font to MS Gothic. Then search for number forms and the subset. And here are the Roman numbers from 1 to 10, and then 11, 12, 50, 100, 500, and 1000. Now to insert one of these numbers, just click on it, then click on Insert, then close. You can go back to the Home tab and change the size and the font of your of the Roman number. The second way is to press the Control key, then F9, then type equal the number you want to convert to Roman numbers. Let's do 78, for example, then backslash, star, and Roman. Now right-click on the field and select Update Field. Now you can change the font and the size of the number. And that's it. Now you know how to insert Roman numbers in Microsoft Word. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.